Greetings! You joined me with the wheels off of my Z4, or at least two of them, well, one right here. And today we're going to be refinishing them. And by refinish, that's YouTube speak for painting. We're going to be painting the wheels. Now these are BMW style 313s, which are a pretty popular wheel amongst people in the BMW crowd. But there's a difference between the normal 313 and these. These are replicas. I'm not a big fan of replicas. I don't like them at all, but that's what came with the car. As you can see, generic center cap on there. Standard BMW center cap will not fit. And they are corroding. So around the, I'll get a better shot in just a second, around the center cap you can see it corroding, and at first glance it looks like there's just stuff on the wheel, but no, it's actually etched itself into the wheel. So I'm going to take a wire brush to that, try to clean off as much as I can, and then I'm going to paint the wheels, which I've been wanting to do anyway. I do like two-tone wheels sometimes, but I'm actually a bigger fan of just like a nice all silver alloy wheel, which is what these are going to become. So if you'd like, stick around and join me and come on this adventure where we paint these wheels. So first step is to get off the corrosion that's on the wheel. And you can still see some of it, like the damage that's been done to the wheel, but overall it's smooth. So now it's time to clean it and then start masking. I actually washed the wheels prior to doing this, but obviously hitting it with a wire wheel is going to kick up a lot of dirt and dust and stuff. So I'm just going to spray it with some cleaner. And this is actually not wheel cleaner. This is electronics cleaner, which I've used on wheels plenty of times. It's not very abrasive. I mean, it is, but it's not very abrasive. And it's great for getting just leftover loose dirt and gunk and stuff off the wheels. And it evaporates very quickly. So I'm just going to get one last little wipe down here before we mask it off and spray it. This little masking tape on the stem here. Just nice and tight. So if you're not aware, the index card method is basically this. You take some index cards and you place them in like so, or really maybe like so, to mask off the tire so you don't get any paint on the tire. It's supposed to be quick and easy and effective, so let's give it a shot and see how that works. The card in. But that's okay, we're here to try things. I'm gonna pop the old generic center cap back on there and spray it at the same time. So yeah, this is ready to spray, so let's do this. Now, to make sure that I am safe, I am going to crack the garage door open a little bit, and I'm also going to turn the fan on in here for ventilation. So let's do this. Nice light coat, let it dry and get tacky. we have the finished product, which I think looks much better. So Now I just have to do the other side, and then we can look at the complete finished product on the car compared to the old ones versus the new ones. Yay! So here is a quick shot of the wheels before. And here it is after, and I know everybody is entitled to their opinion. I don't care. You will have the devil's time convincing me that this isn't better. It looks so much better than it did, I think. Well, that's it. The last thing to do is to get some BMW emblems for the center cap, and it's done. But thanks for sticking with me and watching. I'll catch you next time.